Welcome back guys, GTS Garage. Today we're going to do something in the workshop purely because it is a complete state. I'm going to take you around it and have a look, and then we're going to do something with the bike ramp. Now the bike ramp's been a strange one, and I've had it for many years and I've not really got much use out of it, and the reason being, not completely confident that what goes on there is going to stay on there, if you know what I mean. So today I'm going to make a small improvement that should boost my confidence in throwing bikes up and down on it. Okay, so as you can see, everything is still kind of in a mess. Okay, so as you can see, needs a little bit of a tidy up, I grant you, and today I'm going to do the tidy up. I'm going to move the bikes outside and then we will get on to the next phase. Okay, so basically what we're going to do today is fit the Ryde MT STD, sounds like a sexual disease, and 008. So let me quickly show you the instructions. That's basically what we're going to be fitting today. So the first thing to do is going to be to remove this lot. Once that lot's removed, we can look at what holes are left. Okay guys, that's the table marked out, and now it's a part that I'm looking forward to the least, and that's the drilling. So, okay, 2 holes done. They need to obviously be widened, and now to let the drill cool down because I've got a cracked one, and then I'll do the next 2, and then we'll start widening the holes so they'll take the big M10 bolts. I reckon that's close enough for government work, don't you? Perfect. Excellent. So that's the plate, and when I give you straight on, that looks fairly straight as well. So that's the first part done. Okay guys, that is it, and that's what it looks like. The base plate's now secured, the top part is now secured. I'm just working out the spacing for those because as you can move them along forward and backward depending on the size of the wheel, which is quite nice. It is a beef bit of kit. It's a nice bit of kit, so what I'll do is I'll put it down on the ground and get the bike up there and show you what it's like. That's it. It's done. Okay guys, that is it. She is on the ramp, and I got to say, she is far more secure than she is, or she was, with that other one. What I will say though is if you're going to buy one of these, is do not be tempted to put this bolt up there, because if you do on a normal motorcycle tyre, it lifts the front wheel off, and it is a buggery to get the bike out of that clamp again, and there is no stability because the front wheel is in the air. So now it's just a case of putting the spark plugs in, getting her ready, fitting the ignition because I want to fit the ignition, and then that is it. Then we're ready to start again and try and work out why she doesn't start. But first job for the day done.